Hi, this is Maria with United World Telecom. Running a business means making cost-effective decisions to stay within budget, while not compromising on service quality. One area where costs can rise quickly if you're not paying attention is business communications, but there is a solution: VoIP or cloud-based calling. Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP, transmits calls using the Internet instead of traditional phone lines. This gives businesses the ability to make and receive business calls without worrying about geographical limits. In this video, we'll explore how businesses can reduce communication costs using VoIP. But what makes VoIP calls cost-effective? VoIP sends calls through digital phone lines instead of relying on traditional copper wire setups like the PSTN. PSTN networks are typically expensive to install, maintain, and use, especially for long-distance and international communication. VoIP overcomes many limitations of PSTN networks, giving businesses more extensive reach without increasing costs. Let's look at more ways that VoIP help businesses reduce communication costs. The most significant benefit of using VoIP is that businesses can make affordable long-distance calls and international calls. This is mainly because VoIP uses the Internet, avoiding traditional long-distance fees. In fact, VoIP providers are almost 90% more cost-effective than traditional service providers. For many countries, international VoIP calls can cost as little as 2 cents per minute. This gives businesses the opportunity to expand globally in a cost-effective manner. Your business can purchase international phone numbers like local or toll-free numbers for target countries. Depending on the country, you can get an international phone number for as low as $7.95 per month. Then, simply forward these incoming calls to your teams and office wherever they are located. And the best part is that your VoIP service can grow with your business. You can start small and build up your operations without significant upfront investments. This lets you adapt to market demands and growth opportunities. Add phone lines and numbers as needed, manage users and teams, or adjust routing rules for new destinations, all with the click of a button. This location flexibility also means that VoIP supports distributed, remote, and global teams. Teams can work from anywhere, reducing the need for a physical office space, especially when expanding to new countries. This way, businesses can save on office rent, utilities, maintenance, and other office-related expenses. VoIP technology easily fits in with your existing communication setup and devices, and so it removes the need for additional hardware and equipment. For instance, your teams can access a soft phone or web dialer on their computers, laptops, and smartphones, and convert these devices into business phones. Then they can easily make and receive calls from these devices wherever they are located. This way, businesses can save on any cost related to investing in new hardware and technology. Similarly, you can take advantage of low labor costs when working with a global workforce. Startups and small businesses can hire talent from countries with a skilled workforce and low labor costs, and then connect them with global customers using VoIP. Now, when you're working with a global customer base and have teams spread worldwide, you need a reliable phone system. Most VoIP systems have redundancy and disaster recovery to avoid downtime losses. Unlike traditional phone systems, VoIP offers communication that is not tied to a physical location. So if your main office or primary phone system experiences an outage or crisis, you can reroute calls to the other locations instantly. In fact, United World Telecom offers features like failover forwarding and redundant routing that can automatically kick in when your main system is not working. Having a backup and recovery strategy is more cost-effective than rebuilding your business. Switching to VoIP will not only cut your communication costs, but improve call quality and upgrade your communication system as a whole. This is because VoIP comes with many advanced calling features and wide global coverage. We at United World Telecom have been helping businesses reduce communication costs while maintaining reliable call quality for over 28 years. Our global voice network and 24/7 customer support means you can rely on a high uptime. Plus, we have long-term relationships with well-known regional carriers which allow us to offer international phone numbers at inexpensive rates. Ready to take the leap and switch to VoIP? We can help! Visit our website to speak with a dedicated VoIP expert or book a demo today to see how our service works.